Enable guest checkout. In this lecture, I will show you how you must enable your guest checkout. So I'm gonna add the item to the cart. So I'm gonna take this jacket and I'm gonna click on add to cart, and I will click on checkout. And you can see right over here that you must create an account. You must have enter a password, and you must enter an email. I will show you where. That is right over there. Okay, wait. Here you must create your account password, and here you must create an email account. So otherwise you can't order something. So that's a good point. So now I go to back to the dashboard. So back in the dashboard, I will enable guest checkout. So I will show you how you enable that users can register without creating an account. So that's right over here. Click on checkout. And what you then must do is click on the enable guest checkout box. And you must save the settings right over there. I'm gonna save the settings. And I'm gonna visit my site. And you will see right now when I check out, I'm gonna click on checkout first, that you don't have to create an account. So you can check out with your details. If you have a downloadable item, you will automatically get redirected to the download page. So yeah, that's probably guest checkout. So I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.